All right. Being my sidekick is no easy task. This competition will test your strength, stamina, and endurance. The winner will be whoever makes it through...
Actually, it's whomever.
The winner will be whomever makes it through all of the unimaginable hardships and brings me the red flag I planted atop the incredibly dangerous but inaccurately named Mount Safety.
Actually... Actually, I'm okay.
Now, Sonic, do you have something you'd like to share with Eggman?
Yes, how to say this delicately. You're a horrible roommate and nobody in this house likes you.
Let's frame our statements with, when you do this, it makes me feel this.
Fine, okay, let's see. When you live here, it makes me feel angry. Because you're a horrible roommate and nobody in this house likes you.
You're right. I am the worst roommate. I've never lived with other people before.
What about us?
You don't count.
Sonic, I think someone here could go for 2 spoonfuls of forgiveness, washed down with a tall glass of friendship. What do you think?
Ugh. Hey man, if we give you a second chance, will you promise to shape up?
You bet.
Roommate meeting group hug.
Not you.
Scrubbing all the dishes with my sponge and soap. Scrubbing all the dishes, it's clean enough, I hope.
Cue the horns. 37, 38, 39. Triple star bonus kazoo. I win again.
Oh, that's great. Well, it's getting late. Time to hit the hay.
Oh, just one more game. That's what good roomies do. We have fun.
Look, I'm all for fun, but aren't you guys exhausted? Orbot? Cubot?
They're robots. They don't get tired because they have no souls. Hey.
He's right.
Whatever. Good night, guys.
Wait! Don't leave! Just hang a little longer. I'm so lonely. Please, roomies. Yay!
We now return to the Comedy Chip Show with your host, Comedy Chip.
Well, I almost didn't make it to the show tonight. I had to go to the doctor. I had a backache. Yes, I don't have any faith in that doctor anyway. I think he used to be a mechanic. He tried to fix my problem with a monkey wrench.
You, my friend, are one with a simian.